You're not allowed to have ice cream cake though.
What's wrong with your dog?
She'll get loud.
She's been doing that shit since she was a puppy.
Oh, poor baby girl.
Oh,